Linking to a specific section within a page in Webflow is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Assign an ID to the section. In the Webflow designer, select the section you want to link to. Go to the settings panel on the right side. In the ID field under attributes, enter a unique ID name. This ID will be used as the target for your link. Create the link. Select the element you want to use as the link. Go to the settings panel. In the link settings, choose section from the drop-down menu. A list of sections with assigned IDs will appear. Select the ID of the section you want to link to. Add smooth scrolling. For a smooth scrolling effect, Webflow automatically handles this for internal links. Ensure your site's interactions and animations are not conflicting with the smooth scrolling feature. Preview and test. Use the preview mode to test your link. Click the link and ensure it scrolls smoothly to the desired section. Publish your site. Once everything works as expected, publish your site to make the changes live.